turning Alexa into an external speaker for your PC.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic. Can your Amazon Alexa device function as an external speaker for your PC or laptop? Stick with me as we go through the steps and help you extend the capabilities of your Alexa device.
What's required?
Before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need. You'll need a PC or laptop with Bluetooth capabilities, as well as an Amazon Alexa device. If your computer doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, don't worry. You can use a USB Bluetooth dongle.
Can Alexa really work as an external speaker?
The answer to this is a resounding yes. Alexa devices have Bluetooth capabilities, which allow them to pair with various devices, including your PC or laptop. This feature transforms your Alexa device into a wireless speaker for your computer.
How to connect Alexa to your PC or laptop?
Let's go through the process step by step. 1. First, make sure your Alexa device is turned on and within range of your computer. 2. Now, open the Alexa app on your phone and go to the device settings. Here, find your Alexa device and select Bluetooth Pair a new device. Alexa will start searching for available devices. 3. On your PC or laptop, open the Bluetooth settings. You can usually find these in the System Settings or Control Panel. 4. On your computer, click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and then select Bluetooth. Your computer will start searching for available devices. 5. Once your computer detects the Alexa device, it will appear in the list of available devices. Select the Alexa device to pair. And that's it. Your Alexa device should now be connected to your PC or laptop as an external speaker.
What about sound quality?
Alexa devices can produce quite good sound, but they are not high-end speakers. If you're using Alexa as a speaker for casual listening, watching videos, or video conferencing, it should work just fine. However, for high-fidelity audio or professional music production, you might want to invest in dedicated audio equipment. So, there you have it. Your Amazon Alexa device can indeed serve as an external speaker for your PC or laptop. While it might not replace a professional speaker setup, it's a versatile and convenient solution for many everyday situations. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember to always explore the many possibilities your devices offer. Happy connecting!